Let's get in Vijay Bhamwani, author and CEO at bsplindia.com, to find out whether or not this rally is sustainable. To start off with, Vijay, what are you outlining in terms of the trading levels on the Nifty?
Where the market outlook is concerned, the Nifty rallied along expected lines. As I had mentioned yesterday, there were hammer dojis being made on the daily candlestick charts. And the range expanded on the upside with a fairly decent volume. So one can anticipate the trickle-down effect of yesterday's buying to percolate down even to today. Subject to the bullish pivot level at 5765 levels on the Nifty spot, above which the primary target for the Nifty will be at 5825 and the secondary target will be 5840. On the other hand, should the bearish pivot of 5750 be violated and the Nifty spot trades consistently below this threshold, the primary target for the Nifty will be at 5735 and the secondary target will be 5680.
And Vijay, what levels are you monitoring on the Bank Nifty, which also added over 200 points yesterday?
Where the Bank Nifty is concerned, the bullish pivot for the Bank Nifty spot will be at 11,750 levels, above which the primary target will be 11,900 and the secondary target will be 11,925. The bearish pivot on the Bank Nifty spot is at 11,700, below which 11,650 and a secondary target of 11,525 levels may be seen.
And how would you view the rupee?
Where the USD INR is concerned, the March month futures on the NSE currency derivative segments has a bullish pivot at 55.10 levels, above which the USD INR can go up to 55.35 and a secondary target of 55.5. On the other hand, staying below the bearish pivot at 55 levels in the March future series, we'll see a primary target of 54.75 and a secondary target of 54.60.
And Vijay, what are the trades that you're recommending this morning?
Where individual stock trading ideas are concerned, I would want to buy SBI in the cash segment at marginal pullbacks to 2,125 levels. I would hold these long positions with a stop loss at 2,108 levels and expect to book profits at 2,148 levels or end of the session, whichever comes first. My second trade would be a buy in Tata Motors in the cash segment at marginal pullbacks to the 299 levels. I would hold these long positions with a stop loss at 296 and expect to book profits at 304 or end of the session, whichever comes first.
Okay, thanks very much, Vijay, for giving us your opinion on the markets as well as where the rupee is headed.